guys! So, I'm still at work today. Meron ako appointment later sa physiotherapy. Magpapa-spinal manipulation, yung chiropractor, whatever. Tsaka, basta may papaayos yung likod ko. Papaayos yung likod ko. After that, manood ako ng movie, Project Hail Mary, eat at Toyama Eatery sa may Hill Fernando. So, bye! Yes, we're here.
Ay, dun pa pala. Putang ina.
Hi guys! So, this is a continuation of my mini vlog. So, I'm here at Toyama Eatery and yep, that's my food. Guys, tapos na ako magpa-therapy. Ibang therapy. Okay. Wala pa akong pera para doon.